So hello friends, welcome you all to Sail to MDS Dental Academy. Myself Dr. Malathi, I am pediatric dentist and assistant professor in College of Dental Sciences. So dear friend, because of this COVID-19 situation, I want to help all my dear students, all my dear MDS aspirants out there. So I decided to provide one more complimentary lecture series to the student. So to join that lecture series, you can contact me via WhatsApp, number is there, via mail, or you can register at my website. In this lecture series, there will be the lectures like WhatsApp lectures will be there. My WhatsApp lectures are always systematic, like that you will have the high points, textbook related images will be there. Then we will have the authenticate videos and as well as audio clips will be there. Then we will have the live YouTube session that you people are knowing and conducting, as well as we have the live lectures. In that I will teach you via whiteboard or with the help of screen, PowerPoint screen will have the lecture. So friend, please come and join and keep on reading. So just to keep you motivating, just want to share one small story which I read few days back about the Wilma Rudolph. You can just type in the Google Wilma Rudolph, you'll see she was an athlete. She was the athlete won in the 1960 Olympic game. But her story was a bit inspiring. You know, when Wilma was 4 years, she suffered from paralytic attack because of that polio. And she has lost one leg. Doctors told she will not able to walk and she will not able to run. But her family members, especially her mother, and she has the confidence that she will become the athlete, fast running athlete. So she has not lose that hope and she was keep on working. At the age of 12 years, she become angry. Wilma become angry and she has removed her braces from the leg and she keep on walking. She started to participate in the races. Every time she used to come last, but she has not lost hope. Keep on working. A day come when she won the university race. After winning that race, she went to the coach and explained her dreams. And the coach kept training her. She keep on working hard. And a day come when she won the Olympic race. She became the first paralytic woman to win the Olympic. You see how big self-esteem she was having. So I request you all my dear students out there to have that self-esteem, to have that self-belief that you can do it. Whatever the situation is there, you have to keep on working. So friend, that was all for this small interacting video. It was about you can join the complimentary lecture series, and please keep on working, stay safe and take care of your family members, especially your parents and your dear ones.